Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to change the meeting organizer in Outlook in 2026. Now Outlook still doesn't allow you to replace the organizer directly, but there are two simple ways to head over the ownership without recreating everything from scratch. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open Outlook, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Once you see this type of dashboard in front of you, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of calendar. Over here, when you see your calendar in front of you, you just have to double click on the meeting that you want to transfer. Now, you will notice the organizer's name is logged and it cannot be edited. Since Outlook doesn't let you switch it inside the meeting window, you need to use a workaround. So the first method is to forward the meeting to the new organizer. For that, you need to open the meeting, and here you are going to see the option of forward. So here when you select the option of forward, you just have to choose the forward as iCalendar. So this sends a copy of the meeting that the organizer can save to their calendar. After saving it, they can recreate the meeting using the same details and invite all of the attendees again. If you want something faster, you can use the second method, in which you can just simply cancel the original meeting. But before sending the cancellation, you can copy the details of the meeting, like the title, the agenda, the time, the location, and further notes. Then the new organizer creates a fresh meeting with those details and send the new invitation. So this keeps the schedule similar while changing the owner. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.